Introducing the 13-5 fiber laser cutting machine for efficient cutting of various metal plates. The machine uses imported transmission components such as precision linear guides, gears, and racks, resulting in higher precision and speed. The positioning accuracy is 0.03 mm per meter, the repeatability is 0.02 mm, and the maximum speed unloaded is 80 meters per minute. The operating platform boasts an elegant appearance, and operating this machine is as easy and pleasant as using an ATM. Our core product, the M110 cutting head. The cutting head features a drawer-type lens holder for easy maintenance. A capacitive sensor controls the nozzle distance, and the focus is adjustable to optimize cutting quality. This series of laser cutting machines employ medium power fiber lasers and are mainly used for cutting common carbon steel plates, stainless steel plates, galvanized plates, and other materials. It has the advantages of high precision, high efficiency, and high cost effectiveness. The cutting accuracy is high, maintenance is convenient, and the cost-performance ratio is excellent. The chips produced during cutting fall from the funnel into the waste bin, making it easy to clean them up. Closed-loop water circulation provides efficient cooling for core components. It integrates CNC numerical control system, servo drive, and low-voltage electrical components to achieve precise motion control. We offer localization services for the North American region. Whether it's on-site installation or on-site maintenance, we can respond promptly.